guys, and welcome to my channel. Well, I'm back for the very first time for this year with my menu planning. I will be planning in my new menu planning binder that I made. I will link the video in the corner for you to see how I made that binder. And I will be planning for the month of February. I will be doing things a little bit different, so because I've had some complaints from certain family members about certain foods that I was serving weekly. You know, you would think this is a restaurant or something, but anyways, so I'm going to be changing a few things up, and I have joined Weight Watchers, so I'm going to be trying to kind of cater meals towards that, as well as for the low carb for my husband. So lots to consider for this meal plan. So I thought I'd take you along and share it with you how I put all the meals together for my family needs. So come along. So, first things first. So now that I have my dates filled, I check my calendar to see when I don't need dinner for. So I know for sure I won't need dinner for this day. And this, it has to be a slow cooker. Because we have a tournament on that day. So now I can start filling in. So I'm just putting down Thai chicken wraps because that is the only wrap type of taco thing we will have this month, because that was one of the complaints, and that's a very easy dinner for me to make, low carb as well as Weight Watchers friendly. I used to have fish on Fridays, but the kids are complaining about that one as well, so I'm still going to have fish once a week. I am just going to make it on different days and alternate between whitefish and salmon. And I usually make salmon, I just bake it with a whole bunch of vegetables, nothing too crazy. I might look up new recipes, but then I will do that for the weekly planning. And whitefish, I either bread it or I have this other recipe that I do. If I'm breading the fish, I will bread the fish for my husband with almond flour and Parmesan. And then right here we're gonna do shrimp linguine, and I make linguine pasta for the kids, and then my husband and I will just have zucchini, and I will spiralize it in like with a linguine, so it's as wide as a linguine, I guess. So here we're gonna have spaghetti, and it will be a beef spaghetti, and I try to incorporate all like chicken, beef, pork, all that stuff in a week, so we have a good variety. Usually chicken will be done a few times, but more and the other stuff will be once a week. Also on my Pinterest board, if you're not following me on the Pinterest, you should. I have a board under new dinner ideas, and I usually, anytime I come across anything that's interesting, I will pin it in there so that way I can refer to it a little faster than just putting it with my other stuff. So I have 2 recipes that I would like to try, and they're both chicken. So I'm gonna see right here. I'm going to do crock pot Tuscan chicken. And I will just put down where I found it. And then also I will do keto mushroom chicken thighs. And again from Pinterest, and I will just make this with rice for the kids. I will do beef stew. And over here we'll do butter chicken. And I make my own butter sauce, chicken sauce, and then for the kids we'll do over rice. And for us, over cauliflower. And sometimes, depending on how many points I had that day, I might have it with rice too, but most of the time I do stick to cauliflower. Then here we'll have, not here. Maybe here I will have green curry, and I will make enough so I can have it on Sunday. And over here I will have some sort of a roast, because I think I will have my dad for dinner, so I think I'm gonna do probably a pork roast. And I'll make a soup with it too. And then we'll have leftovers here. I think over here we'll do homemade pizza. And my husband will make his on the cauliflower crust or a naked pizza. So beef. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Do chicken stir fry. I'm gonna do chili, breaded chicken, like a chicken parmesan kind of thing that I can make, and again I would just bread it differently. That's low carb friendly, and usually it does consist of almond and parmesan mixed together. I will have it with just a regular breading. So also another way that I do is in my home binder somewhere. I have our family's favorite dinners, so I go down the list just to see if there's anything popping out for me, and I do see that we can have sausage that I don't have, so I'll do that here. Sausages, and then So I got chicken, beef, chicken, fish, another pork dish. I think we can do maybe pork burgers. Here. And then again, I got 2 chickens, so I need a beef dish. So I can do beef and broccoli. And pork tenderloin. Do Thai chicken thighs. So I need another chicken dish, and I think what I'm gonna do is I am going to search on Pinterest and see if I can find any chicken breast recipes. Ooh, bacon wrapped cream cheese stuffed chicken. That sounds delicious. I think that's what I will do. Okay, so that's for that day. Chicken sag to here. And if you don't know what chicken sag is, it is an Indian dish and the sauce is made with spinach. It's quite delicious. So same idea, will be served over cauliflower or rice, depending on what we need. So this is pretty good. I think it's a well-balanced meal. Trying to avoid eating out, so there's lots of different varieties, different things that everybody likes. So I will let you know next month how I did and if we ended up eating out or not, or what dishes didn't work out. So this is the only new one that I'm trying out. Oh, actually no. So keto mushroom chicken is another new one I haven't done. I have done the crock pot Tuscan chicken. That one I have done. So I'm excited about this menu. I think it's, like I said, well balanced. A little bit of it for everybody, and trying to use up things that I have in the freezer, which I have included, like the meat. So thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're brand new, I would love for you to press that subscribe button and a notification button so you don't miss out any of my new videos. So until next time, have a wonderful day.